What's up, Lake?
Oh, nigga, you already know we get down, nigga, loud in effect, nigga.
With the police
in
right
the motherfucking
behind
blizzard, nigga. On the way to the liquor store, nigga.
That's the only way we can get there.
Ain't shit
No
open.
shit.
What you say, yo?
No shit. As long as we can get up in this motherfucker.
Ain't shit open.
Oh, it's a fuck.
There you go, P.
What's up, Eggs?
What it do, big baby?
I mean, you know, we on our way to the liquor store, man. That's the way we gotta get there, man, because cars ain't working. You hear me? They ain't even moving them. We trying to get around with this motherfucking fire truck, but they bullshit.
See what it do.
I'm gonna tell them that, man, I'm trying to find this bitch real quick.
Yeah. We live in effect, nigga. Yeah. Yeah. Fire truck in effect. Yeah. Fuck them. Fuck them bitches. Them bitches work for the police, too.
What I do with the J?
This nigga done lost a J.
Out here, man. You lost the J?
He lost a J, got scared. Old motherfucker.
In that damn truck.
Nigga, we almost at the motherfucking liquor store. We ain't got that long, or we ain't got that far.
We almost there. And I'm bringing up the rear. And I'm coming in. And I'm gone. You ain't gotta come out here and walk in the motherfucking snow.
Yeah, man.
It don't make no damn sense.
Nigga tune back in the peas world.
Look like a deserted dude. Motherfuckers, man. The world without people in this motherfucking blizzard.
Not a soul in the street. Get out the street, baby Joe. We had to fuck this motherfucker up in here.
I ain't got my knife with me.
Yeah, we tuning live, nigga, the Peas World TV.
Hey, y'all, let me tell you something. We gonna go lick the stove.
Let me my clap. Come on, man.
Hey, stop.
Yeah. You better come out try to move that damn car.
Motherfucker, tree fell. It is serious, dog.
Liquor store now. Only motherfucking liquor store in Northeast.
We on the south side.
Outside.
Okay, that's it.
You hear, George?
Huh? Yeah, I thought I made them niggas so. Tired.
I'll make it back, nigga. Fuck it. Had to walk for something though, nigga. And this type of shit, you'll get depressed. I keep the good thing, that danky dank.
It's all the crack of life.
You got Big
It's all
George.
crack of life.
You got Baby George. He
It's all
finally made
crack
it. He finally made it.
It's like that. Fuck a bag. We don't need a bag.
Just throw it in the bag, nigga.
Just throw it in the bag. Look at that.
2010.
I'm gonna get that motherfucker right there.
Nigga, we report back to Peas World in this motherfucking nasty ass blizzard.
Drinking extra smooth.
Throwing it up.
Nigga,
throw it
every
all the
motherfucker
time,
angle, nigga. Niggas ain't bored.
We got it like this going on.
Squippers and everything. Look, we got Duckman dusty ass in the motherfucking blizzard, nigga. Welcome to Peas World Television, nigga.
You jumped out the snow, dog, man?
Hey, P, how you zoom in on this motherfucking nigga? This ugly ass nigga, Doc Man. The 89 rapper. What's up, Doc? Throw the deuces up, though, Doc. Got my man Doc trapping in the motherfucking joint. Look like he up there tricking. Alright, that's a bet. Don't be tricking in 210 Blizzard, nigga. 2010, nigga. Don't be tricking.
I nigga made that
I mean, you know it's a blizzard, man. You know where I'm at. You know, it's a must, you know what I mean? And, I ain't got to be at work about Friday, Wednesday. Fuck that. Same way I love y'all, but guess what? I ain't gonna be that motherfucker, I tell you that. Shit. All that motherfucking food, baby, we was that rotated. I ain't gonna be there.
Who drunk all that shit on the floor?
What?
Like, who drunk all that? You ain't drunk all that on the floor.
Shit. L drunk. Majority of them jumps. I got
It ain't the show and tell, nigga.
I got like about 4.